Om Shri Sai Ram. Thought for the day. From the four Vedas, our ancients have picked up four very special statements, Mahavidyas, and taught their meaning to us. These four are Prajanam Brahma, Ayam Atma Brahman, Tattva Asi, and Aham Brahmasmi. These statements imply that Brahman, divine, is synonymous of Prajana, knowledge, and that the Atma, soul, is Brahman, and that Brahman is yourself. In this, we'll be able to see that in the dissolved state, everything is one and the same. In this state of dissolution, all bad and good, things that are attractive and things that are not attractive, appear as one and the same. All things look as if they are one and the same. The difference between names and forms is not distinguishable. In this state, one can only experience bliss. Simply because one does not perceive light within, the individual should not say that there is no Brahman within. In everything, this capacity to shine is present as Prajna Baba.